Are you looking for the best impact wrenches of 2023? In this video we will look at some of the best impact wrenches of 2023 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1/2 inch High Torque Impact Wrench. From assembling the patio furniture to removing stubborn lug nuts on vehicles, the Milwaukee Fuel High Torque 1/2 inch impact wrench can handle almost any job. The cordless high torque wrench has a 4-mode drive control with bolt removal that makes it a stellar choice for serious weekend warriors. You'll appreciate the L-shaped handle with rubber overmold that offers a comfortable grip while plowing through lengthy jobs. It even has a handy LED work light that lights up your work area to make the job easier when working in dim or tight quarters. The tool is just over 8 inches in length. It's one of the most compact impact wrenches in its class, but that certainly doesn't mean it lacks power. The friction ring cuts back on difficult socket changes, and the RedLink Plus intelligence prevents the tool from overheating or overloading, which could damage the many moving parts. It is one of the more powerful wrenches on the market for its size and has 1,000 foot-pounds of fastening torque and 1,400 foot-pounds of nut-busting force. At number 2. Porter Cable PCE 211 7.5 amp 1/2 inch impact wrench. Just because a tool isn't expensive doesn't necessarily have to mean it's low on power or performance. Porter Cable makes a powerful line of tools, and they are affordable to boot. The tool company's PCE 211 7.5 amp 1/2 inch impact wrench is one of the better reviewed models on the market. It has 450 foot-pounds of torque with 2,200 RPM, so you're not sacrificing anything with this impact wrench. The forward and reverse rocker switch is easy to manipulate with one hand, and the grip is comfortable to hold. This is an ideal tool for removing lug nuts on commercial vehicles as well as quickly changing out nuts and bolts on lightweight items such as furniture, shelving, and door hinges. At number 3. DEWALT DCF 899 M1 Wrench Kit. For those just starting out or who want to buy an all-inclusive starter package that includes the battery, charger, and carrying bag, this wrench kit deserves attention. Designed for comfort and power, the DEWALT DCF 899 M120V Max XR brushless high-torque wrench kit packs a punch. And it has all the high-end features that you would want in a wrench kit. With up to 700 foot-pounds of fastening torque, 1,200 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque, and 2,400 impacts per minute, the DEWALT kit is powerful. It is small and lightweight, measuring just 8 13/16 inches and weighing in at 7.2 pounds. The impact wrench is versatile with multi-speed control to be used in a wide range of odd jobs. It has a bright LED light with a 20-second delay for tight, dark spots and a 1/2 inch anvil with detent pin. At number 4. Ingersoll Rand 36Q Max 1/2 inch Ultra Compact Impact Wrench. The Ingersoll Rand 36Q Max 1/2 inch Ultra Compact Impact Wrench is an absolute workhorse. Its stubby shape can easily maneuver in tight spaces, and it packs a powerful punch with 640 foot-pounds of torque and up to 8,000 RPM despite weighing a mere 2.6 pounds. Use it to pull out stubborn stripped screws or oxidized bolts that are squirreled away in an inconvenient location. It's the perfect tool for working on transmissions or other deep-in-the-engine car parts. The tool has a one-hand operation trigger with 3 position settings that come in both forward and reverse. Plus, this tool works well for people who are left-handed and right-handed. Remember that it requires an air compressor that can deliver at least 5 CFM at 90 psi for power, which is not included. Preferably, you should have a much larger air compressor for optimum performance. At number 5. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench Kit. For jobs that require power but no fuss, the DEWALT 20V Max Lithium-Ion Cordless Impact Wrench Kit offers maximum torque without the inconvenience of a long cord. The tool has 130 foot-pounds of maximum torque and 2,700 impacts per minute that works on fasteners in even tough wood, masonry, and metal in no time. It is a breeze to use in small spaces, and cuts through rusted bolts or oxidized lug nuts quickly and easily. It is also stocked with items for long-term use in places that may not have easy access to power. The kit includes 2 20-volt lithium-ion batteries with built-in fuel gauge so you can go longer and faster on those difficult jobs that put you in a tight squeeze. The 3 front-facing LED lights offer brightness to dark workspaces. It's also one of the smaller impact wrenches with the most torque at 3.4 pounds. At number 6. Bosch Freak GDX18V 1800B12 Cordless Impact Driver/Wrench. Sometimes a tool that is required to do 2 things at once actually does one thing better than the other. This isn't the case with the Bosch Freak 18V impact wrench. It's both a driver and a wrench, and it makes quite an impact at both. It uses a 1/4-inch hex screwdriver bits and 1/2-inch impact sockets. The practical tool quickly switches between screwdriver and nut driver bits, as well as sockets, so you won't have to search around for an adapter for the more complicated jobs that require different tools. The powerful brushless motor delivers a maximum of 150 foot-pounds of torque and up to 4,200 impacts per minute for professional power and impact. The Freak comes with battery, charger, and soft case, as well as a belt clip to keep it near at hand. At number 7. DEWALT 20V Max 1/2-inch Cordless Impact Wrench Kit. Removing stubborn lug nuts can be a painstaking task, so you'll want to invest in a heavy-duty tool that can get the job done quickly. Our top pick is the DEWALT 20V Max XR Lithium-Ion Cordless Impact Wrench because it has 700 foot-pounds of maximum fastening torque, 1,200 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque, and a brushless motor that will extend its life. Choose from 3 speeds: 0-400/1, 200/1, 900 RPM, depending on your needs. A 1/2-inch anvil with a detent pin makes the wrench resistant to breakage and the annoying shearing that so often comes with lug nut removal. It can handle drops from as high as 8 feet with its compact design and durable casing. This impact wrench also has an LED light with a 20-second delay for use in dark spaces. At number 8. Ingersoll RAN 2235 T-Max Drive Air Impact Wrench. If you're looking for a high-performance tool that is lightweight but still able to pull off big jobs, the Ingersoll RAN 2235 T-Max Drive Air Impact Wrench is a great option. It has a well-manufactured drive mechanism to put out serious spin ability with 1,350 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. Ingersoll's 1/2-inch air impact wrench is known for its power-to-weight ratio, as it weighs in at only 4.6 pounds and has a 4-position power regulator, which makes the torque easy to adjust. This heavy-duty tool has a 4-position power regulator, so you can fine-tune the power to your needs, and it's very easy to switch the forward/reverse mechanism with just one hand. Note that you will need an air compressor capable of delivering at least 6 CFM of air at 90 psi for reliable performance of the impact wrench.